Fresh rims on the car, looking like a star. Thumbing through 20 bands, yeah, I grind so hard.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another exclusive video. I got some bad news to tell y'all. Some bad news. I'm sorry I ain't been vlogging a lot. I ain't been on my car stuff. I really been just partying, living life, making money on different types of ways. You know, I got my own studio. I don't know if y'all know that or not. Yeah, I got my own studio, so I got clients and stuff been busy with. As you know, I'm a photographer. I do photos and videos for people too, and plus myself and my team. But I didn't show y'all my birthday car. My birthday was in April. I bought a car for my birthday. And my license was going too. That's why I ain't really been in the mood to vlog and stuff like that. My license was suspended for a few months, but I'm back. And had a little accident on my new car. Only had it for like 2 months. Only drove it for like a month. And somebody cracked my rim fender. Fucked up, didn't have insurance. Got pay in pocket. But it ain't gonna stop me. It just made me go hard. So right now I'm in the junkyard. And we looking for parts. I just found a good Impala. Really wasn't supposed to tell y'all the car, bro. Alright. Got an 07 Impala I gotta work on. Had custom paint, rims, music, flakes in it. But I'm finna change it up now. I'm finna sauce it up. Everybody's giving me so many comments on this car. And now, I'm finna remix it. But yeah, stay tuned, y'all. We'll be back. I gotta talk to the clerk up here. We'll be back. Alrighty, so I just went in there, bought a fender, bought a bumper. I'm gonna buy a hood, and I wanna buy a spoiler. I don't have a spoiler on my Impala, so I wanna put a spoiler on my Impala. And I definitely just found the hood. No, I did not. I thought I did. I can't turn around because I got y'all recording on the front. It's a little, see that? Yeah, that's not good. All right. Yeah, all right, yeah. So yeah, I bought an Impala for my homie. You know, I bought all my cars for my friends, my associates and shit like that I know that is good cars. Sorry if I'm talking too slow because I'm trying to focus on miss any Impalas out here. I think I'm gonna go to the right this time. But yeah, I helped a buddy out that was locked up. And I grabbed his car. He needed some borrowed money, so shit. It was my birthday, and I did want a little car, and he gave me it for a player price. You know, I've been wanting a car for a couple years. I've been seeing them build it. I actually used to have a silver Impala on 24s, and I was out one night, and a couple people I know I went to high school with and stuff got into an altercation and stuff like that, and tried to break it up, and my car was kind of in the mix. People got to shooting and shit like that, so my car got shot and it went downhill after that. So I tried to buy a new transmission and shit like that, get it back running, but it wasn't working as planned. Money was getting a little funny too. I just went to go buy a little Pontiac and put that on some clothes. I actually had my first Impala on 22, some Velocities. I actually got Velocities right now too as we speak. I'm trying to find a rim because when I got hit, it looked like the Incredible Hulk split my rim. Like, come here, so been fucked up ever since. I ain't gonna lie. Ever since the accident, it's been real fucked up. It's been real fucked up. I'm gonna set you right there, though. It's been real fucked up. It's hot as hell out here. But yeah, altercation happened. I was out at the bars and shit like that, trying to stop stuff, cause you know I like peace. You know what I'm saying? I don't really like people fighting and shit like that. You know, it's a certain time to do all that, check somebody and all that. Not when we out having a good time. So yeah, my car got in an accident, never got it fixed. Sold it to one of my buddies. He had it running. He got it back running for a little while and stuff like that. Well, I always wanted to do another Impala because, like, that's what started the prime of me. Like, me having my own car on rims. Like, I used to have 2 cars before that. I had rims for them, never put them on, never could. Like, I don't know why, never did it. Always got the rims, sold them on Facebook, never put them on. But when I got my first Impala, I wasn't going. I worked a full-time job, and I made it happen. And ever since, everybody like, oh my God, your car looks so good. Your car looks so good. I love it. I want it. Da 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 da. And I can't give it up. I can't give it up. I love my car rims. Every car I gotta have gotta be decked out. Even if it's off the lot, I'm putting something on it. You know what I'm saying? I got it from my daddy. He started off, I think he was the first person in Champaign, Illinois back in the day on 20s. You know what I'm saying? 20-inch rims. So I got it from them. I was from the hood. I'm from Garden Hills. I'm from Champaign, Illinois, Garden Hills. When I was younger, I used to come home from school, hoop, chill on my porch. You know what I'm saying? I used to have a hoop, put the hoop in the street, had all the kids from the neighborhood come pull up. Or we used to have water gun fights. I had all the water guns. Had all the super soakers. I had the best one they couldn't get out. Squirt them all up. All everybody know me from the hills. You know what I'm saying? That's really neat. Like, you know what I'm saying? But back when I used to sit on the porch, you had like this dude named Tan back in the day. He don't really do it no more. But man, his little group and them and my daddy group and them, they used to go so crazy. So crazy. Swerving left to right, music, banging vocals. He had a lime green Cutlass, I remember. There was a tall, light-skinned dude. I don't remember his name, but I see him every once in a while, like every 2 years or something. He don't do the rims no more either. But when he did, he used to clown. He was a tall, light-skinned dude. I don't remember who he is. I don't know his name, but I don't even know if he was from here or not, but he used to live in Champaign. He was going crazy. You know, I know my homie D-Boy, you know what I'm saying? D-Boy, he still give me pointers, you know what I'm saying? He back going crazy. A lot of people now a lot of people, it's the Challenger gang, you know what I'm saying? Chargers, they going crazy. The youngers, they going crazy. And my white homies on my road, them white boys going crazy. I got some white boys, got some shit in there. But yeah, like that's what started the rims. Like ever since then, gotta get rims. All the females, oh, I want to drive your car. They didn't want to drive when it was factory. I'll put them wheels on, do my little twos and fuse on that thing, little knickknacks. I almost forgot my water. All right, y'all, we gotta find a hood and the fender. I'm gonna cut down some. I'm gonna try to cut through here. Try to cut through here. I've never been this way. Y'all really see? You know, we got all this smoke coming from Canada and shit. Fucking with my lungs and shit. What y'all got going on out there? How's it traveling all the way to Illinois, in the middle of Illinois? But yeah, man. gonna show y'all the Impala though when I get home. That's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna show y'all the Impala, or I'm gonna start off with part 2. Probably part 2. I'm gonna show y'all the Impala, what happened to it and how it looks. But I'm gonna walk this way. I feel like I walked in that row. I'm gonna go. I want to check back here. I want to keep zigzagging, but it look like bull crap. But I'm gonna cut one more row down. My buddies, I got my buddies on the other side. They going crazy. They looking for some stuff for their cars. That's what I'm gonna do probably tomorrow. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all mine, what happened to it. Tell y'all the ideas I got a little bit. Tell y'all some ideas I want to do for my my '94 Caprice I still got. I'm gonna tell y'all about my cousin car, his colors. T-top white boy. Show y'all about him, what he got going on. His car is, it's finna hit the road, Jack. It's finna hit the road. It's definitely almost time to hit the road. I see these brothers right now. We got Cutlass Nez and T-top white boy. Cutlass Nez and T-top white boy. I was just talking about them in the vlog. Wasn't I YouTube? Wasn't I YouTube?
Somebody tried to paint that little ugly motherfucker. Slimer green.
Slimer green. Hey, you hear him, Slimer green. That's the wing.
You don't come to the junkyard with people.
Yeah. Slimer green. Remember that.
Well, come shoot a video out here.
That's why I say I'm mad I ain't bring my right t-shirt out. You know what I'm saying? Stand on top of that shit and all.
You need flight with you still.
Yeah, he gonna go crazy. He gonna tell you, do that, do that, do that. Shout out Trey Flex too much, man.
Bring the hammers.
Oh God, yep, yep. For real.
Try to kick your ass out.
Oh God.
Too late, we out here.
We done already filmed it.
We
But it looked pretty good out here. This is gonna be my next video shoot. It's gonna be my run and gun video shoot, for real, for real. And no, y'all, we was not in Champaign, Illinois. We was in Danville.
Look, be all on their tractor back there when they ain't looking.
Oh God, definitely, yeah. They want me in the tractor back there. What's this? I was a Charger. Yeah, y'all. I'm finna get to searching. Y'all kind of throwing me off, so I'm gonna get back to business. Alrighty. This boy doing over there. What that man doing over there, boy? Big ass truck. Y'all gonna give me some great content to make y'all rich soon, man.
They stole the fucking wire. That's all they did.
Right, they got a rail right there.
Yeah,
They took some injectors too.
that's all I'm saying.
That's definitely one. That's definitely mine. Yep. Yeah, I like them parts. New one.
This is a big junk, y'all.
That's definitely it, bro.
Straight car park.
Get high, get high, get high.
I'm gonna roll it.
I'm like, my shit run good. If it was cutting or something fucked up, I'd do it. But right now, man, I'm ready to get my exhaust and shit. I just help you get yours and shit, help him get his shit.
He ready for that exhaust. Colors Nez. What's the signature name, man? What's your signature name? Is that it? The Colors Nez? Cash out. Cash out Nez. T-top white boy. We in the yard.
I did not find this truck.
You said you found one, didn't you?
Got them L's back. So we finna be strictly vlogging. Going crazy. You see this shit? I'm down.
Man, that panorama somewhere. I see that panorama. Right there. Put that bitch in the bug.
Oh, show the fuck is. Damn.
Put that bitch in the bug.
They say put this in the bub in the 94.
Kill it.
Yeah, that would be
That's a big
crazy.
motherfucker, man. Kill it. They cut it out for $75 for you. Cut that bitch out.
Well, I'm gonna have to put that mug in.
Man, the dude, they got somebody in town doing that
For
shit.
real?
Somebody doing that
Out
shit.
here?
Hell
Or
they
Champagne?
doing that. Champagne.
Champagne.
They doing that shit. Shit. Ain't hard as motherfucker think. They pulling it out.
Let me take a.
Big motherfucker there, boy. That motherfucker there.
I'm gonna screenshot while recording. You know what I'm saying? See if I can do that.
Rico got in the Chevy, some shit like that.
Yep. Haha. I definitely did. Screenshot. You say slide that in the 94 Caprice. Y'all want to see that done?
Man, we'll put that motherfucker up in that motherfucker.
Ooh-wee.
Right on up in there.
Well, that's a big motherfucker.
That's a
Yeah. We might have to do that, huh?
You see that motherfucker?
I don't know what they're wrong for it.
75. They come cut it out for you.
Oh, we need that for the Impala.
Yeah, I told him he put that in the bug.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that motherfucker. That motherfucker nice.
Think it's coming home, y'all.
That dude snatched the whole little
YouTube, what y'all
man.
think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the
Battery
comments.
drill by the end of the night. By the end of the day, we had it hooked up on the battery drill. Running that motherfucker.
All they need to do is
Yeah, they gotta cut it out.
What y'all thinking, YouTube? Yes
There you got all the shit.
or no?
Right there. That's one other one he's looking at. That's another one. Up there.
Come on, Volkswagen or some shit.
We got that T-top. We can't do nothing with no roof.
I
I thought about the Abbey though. That bitch in there. What a thing! I thought you found it. Oh, that black one over there.
Oh, yeah, show it to you. What's this? That's the Malibu. That's oh, that shit gone. Kind of walking fast, so I gotta look. Trying to look through extra rows while walking in this rock. I'm finna just look on the sheet. They gave me a sheet. But the sheet that had you going from this side all the way to that side to back down to up here. I ain't seeing no more of them Impalas. Thought he called my name. I got a lot of these trucks for y'all to put in. I'm trying to get these parts out this truck. Yeah, y'all.